been trying to figure out how to get you into a care facility. But you haven't seen a Parkinson's doctor for how long?
About a year.
Yeah, so you're not getting the proper medical help that you need right now with not being able to see your Parkinson's doctor. My biggest concern is your health. You're deteriorating. You're withering away. So you talk to Shane about your Parkinson's doctor. Just trying to figure out, you've got to take care of you, your health. You just lost a ton of weight lately. Last time I weighed you, was it 140? How much did you weigh before? Have you signed the order will already?
The Kingston leaders have been requiring their members to sign these wills for decades. Fred is required to sign a will to make sure that all of his belongings and assets will go right back to the order. This is to make sure that none of Fred's family will have any inheritance. According to order teachings, anything you acquire in this lifetime belongs to the Lord.
The money or the income that we get is turned in where it can be used and directed in the place that will give the greatest return.
And why would you have Shane do that?
He still thinks it's his duty to die, that he's a burden.
So was that in the will that you signed? Did they take that lock off the door? That lock that was on the outside of the door? Oh, you took an axe to it. You took it off.
I don't even know what to say to that.